This question is from Jodhpur. Uh, Anonymous question. He asked, I have a very specific question with respect to myself. From last 3 years, I am suffering from depression, anxiety, palpitation, etc. I tried my best to come out of this, but I couldn't. The reason being that I was in a relationship and was very attached. I have done whatever could have been done from my side to overcome this situation, but everything I tried was not good enough. I tried medicines and was on sleeping pills for more than 8 to 9 months. Please help me to get over this. Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita is the only medicine for this problem. Like Arjuna was having similar problem in the battlefield. He was completely restless. His body was trembling. His limbs were quivering and his mouth was drying up. His hairs were standing on end. So his skin was burning. Vepatuscha sarire me romahasya jayate gandivam sramsate gasta tvakchaiva paritagi. दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्णा युत्सं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यते वेपतुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते. So Arjuna told Krishna that I cannot do anything, Krishna. I'm completely broken. So then you please tell me what is good for me, what I should do. Then Krishna gave this Bhagavad Gita knowledge. So the anxiety, depression, everything in this material world is because we are not connected with Krishna. Because we are not able to understand, we didn't get, if we don't get this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, if we are attached to material sense objects, then it will be like this only. But when Arjuna got this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, he told Krishna that now I am very well situated. I have no problem. At that point of time for Arjuna, the problem what he had in the middle of the battlefield, no doctor could have helped. No doctor can help. Nobody, no medicine can help. We need to understand, it's very important thing, especially for depression and anxieties and all. The reason for the depression, we need to solve the root cause. That is the main problem. We need to understand the root cause. Normally medicines, what we eat, normally what we take, the medicines, they are not solving the root cause. They are trying to suppress the symptoms. That is the main thing. So majority of these depressions, the root cause is actually, even though some of them are due to chemical imbalance, but even the triggers, the root cause, everything is because of our attachment to the sense objects. That is the main thing. Because when we are attached to something in this material world, so then we are actually, when such things are not available to us, we are not able to achieve what we want. So then we get disturbed, then we will get anxiety, then we will get all such things. It will lead to all kinds of issues, problems, and our health also. So our health, our physical health is very much depends upon our mental health. It's very important. So if mentally we are stable, we are strong, then we will be able to, also physically we will be able to lead a better life actually. So because all those things, because everything is controlled, everything like our stomach acid secretion in our stomach, or even there are so many valves are there which goes like it controls all those things. It's all one-way valve. So the food what we eat, if it goes through the esophagus, so it just goes through that sphincter valve. It's just the one-way valve. So like that, everything is controlled by our nervous system. So if we are disturbed, if we are like anxious, if we are depressed, all such things are going to eventually affect our physical health, mental health, everything. But the solution, the real solution is this Bhagavad Gita knowledge. That's it. Because Arjuna, it helped Arjuna in the battlefield. I'm sure if you take this very seriously, if you understand this Bhagavad Gita fully, completely, the way Krishna taught Arjuna, then by Krishna's mercy, definitely you will be able to come out of this problem. Definitely, there is no doubt about it. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.